Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation. We are from Group 9 in Integrated Public Presentation Class C. Alright, our purpose today is presentation about our pitch desk. This presentation is divided into general information, background information, our vision and mission, our product, and competitors in main parts. Okay, let me start by giving you some information about us. Next. Okay, Mangudahar is a restaurant with plant-based menu. We collaborate with traditional concept of Javanese and use traditional payment, call it barter for our special menu. We have strong partnership with companies that are share similar values like us to strengthen our business. Next. So let's move on to our story. Why we built our startup. So we have three parts here. We collaborated with vegan, trust, and traditional concept in one part, and I will to explain about vegan section first. Animal agriculture is one of the biggest contributors to global warming and is estimated by the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization to be responsible for 18% of global greenhouse gas emissions. A vegan lifestyle prevents a tremendous amount of animal slaughter and suffering. It offers a potent way to shrink our environmental footprints, especially in regard to climate change. An well-planned vegan diet can fuel the highest level of fitness while reducing our risk of various chronic diseases. Plus, the food of vegan is instantly delicious and it becomes more widely available every year. So here we have trust concept, and as we know nowadays, there is so many littering in our environment, and we need to preventing action for this ties. So here we will be a trust distributor by distributing organic and non-organic trash, and it will be economic value for our society. And we have traditional concept. We use Javanese traditional is because traditional of Javanese is authentic and worth to be our highlight concept. Also, we want to show Javanese culture widely. Next.
Alright, for the next one, as a company business, we also have our visions as principles to achieve our missions or goals. And here are our visions. We have principles that if we are losing our own culture, it means we are losing our own identity. So we are having rights and obligation to converse what we have. Any cultural aspects are shown in our merchandise and also being a representation in our restaurants. And the second principle that we are using 3 of SDGs goals in here. We use the 11, 12, and 13 goals. The 11 is make cities and human settlements inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable. For the 12 goals, we need to ensure the sustainable consumption and production patterns. And for the 13 goals, we need to take urgent action to combat climate change and its impact. And for the last vision that we have, we should be being adaptable, fast learner, and critical thinking person as a startup from young generation to compete with other company and developing our human resource to be better with better system. All of this vision is used to save our missions, cultural converse by serving knowledge and shared interests, and earth-saving plan by making plant-based and how circulating household waste into something useful as our campaign. And next, reducing the usage of animal agriculture that make pollution relation food production. Following 4.0 industrialization that we intend to having test system together with old methods to help people to adapt. And all of this mission is going to work will be explained in our business plan next to achieve this goal and be the solution of our problem situation.
Alright, turning our attention now to our product section. So here we have our special menu is barter menu. As you can see, there is our menu is klepon, getuk, and almond ice cream. So you can get this menu if you use barter payments. Next. Okay, let's move on to our signature menu. We serve Western and local dishes. In a Western section, we serve fruit salad, veggie burger, taco, kimbap, tempeh stick, lasagna, French fries, corn soup, mushroom soup, veggie toast, spinach pasta, sandwich, pancake, grits, Thai, and baked food. And for local dish, we serve sego pecel, lalapan, jangan sop, jangan kecut, ote-ote, and klabu. Next, here our beverage menu. We divided into three parts. In a section 1 is water basin, include infused water and tea, and fruit basin include smoothie, ice cream, and juice. And in a seeds base includes oatmeal, soy milk, peanuts, milk, mung bean, and salt. Okay, next. So far, we have looked at our F&B menu. Now, I'd like to present about our dress and merchandise product. So we here have dress product. In this section, we have divided into two parts. It's organic and non-organic trash. In an organic trash, we process organic trash by ourselves. The output of this process became fertilizer for our farm, and we process non-organic trash by distributing the trash to recycled waste factory. And our media partner is Octopus Indonesia. Next. And here we have our merchandise. As you know, our merchandise here are from collected non-organic household waste that processed in partnered company, then sold and shown in our restaurant. And there is a straw stainless casing point with traditional Javanese pipes and tumbler, keychain, and accessories. Okay, next.
For the next one, we are going to talk about our business plan. The first plan in here, we are selling plant-based food, which the main ingredients are from our own garden. In here, we are not only selling food, but also learn how to make them from scratch. It also to keep our best quality product and being one of the campaign activity. The second one, we are using the Japanese authentic pipes as our decors, where our plastic recycled merchandise also shown in the restaurant. In here, customers not only know that we accept their household waste, but they can also know and see how their waste were being processed into something that can help them to value our own culture. And as the Japanese authentic vibes that we have may help them to feel that our culture is beautiful and have pride to preserve, showing off, and share the knowledge to others. And the third plan we have, the customers may sell their waste through our website or exchange them for our special menu. This is our selling point in here. Customers don't need to be confused as we have the exact small amount and they won't feel pressure to bring so many trash. We also have the other option to order and buy as usual, so they won't be confused more. Therefore, we could explain to them to help people adapt based on our industry generation. And fourth, the DG market as we optimize the usage of our website. Our website in here, we could use it for reservation, delivery food, raise household waste, and customer also can give their opinion, critics, and requests. And also the last, we could give our information and maps in there. And also we could use our social media as our media promotion, especially during our grand opening event. And for the fifth, the collected waste will be collected in cooperating recycled plastic factory to make our merchandise, and as I said before, it was also shown in our restaurant decoration. And for the organic waste, it also will be used in our garden. And next, the sales result will be used for restaurant capital. And our strategy is in here to keep the money circulating as its own portion and keep our business steady, then growing up more. And also, we have three different payment methods: real money, e-money, and household waste. Real money if customers come in and order, just like the others restaurant. And e-money if customer asks for a reservation and delivery from our website. It also can be used in partner platforms when they order. Lastly, the household waste is used only in restaurant and exchanged with one of our special menus. For example, for non-organic plastic, we have three kinds. The biggest pieces we use 3 pieces, and for the meat we use 4 pieces, and for the smallest one we use 6 pieces, and we could exchange them into one of our special menus. And for the organic one, we counted for each for 1 pound. And don't worry, this also applies to multiply amount. And last but not least, our basic and main plan in here is our restaurant business focused on promoting plant-based food, conserving culture, and also reducing waste.
Okay, and then is our competitors. First is Loving Hut. Loving Hut is a part of an international chain of vegan restaurants opened by followers of Supermaster Ching Hai, an advocate for vegan living, and it locates in Kubang, Surabaya. They are serving all vegan foods, coffee, non-alcoholic beverage, and vegan desserts. And our anticipation is grand opening, promotion through social media, and product prices. Next. Second is Sue Orajemu. Sue Orajemu is a restaurant that sells Japanese foods and drinks, or as known jamu, and locates in Keramat Pela, Jakarta. They also serve their foods and drinks with Japanese serving. And our anticipation is Japanese decoration to attract the visitors to come, and merchandise from recycled trash. And next, the third is UG Cafe. UG Cafe is a cafe that collaborates with Kapul, an environmental startup, so they can use trash as payment method, replacing money. But if the trash is not enough to pay for the foods or drink, the visitors still have to pay with money. It locates in Medan Barat, Medan. And our anticipation is the effective payment method and recycled merchandise. Next. Next, we have plus difference. We have 6 plus differences. The first is vegan product. As my partner say at the beginning, a vegan lifestyle prevents a tremendous amount of animal slaughter and suffering. It offers a potent way to shrink our environmental footprint, especially in regard to climate change. And a well-planned vegan diet can fuel the highest levels of fitness while reducing our risk of various chronic diseases. Second is affordable product. Affordable product prices make our products friendly to your wallet so you can enjoy delicious vegan foods and drinks without worrying about the prices. Third is authentic decoration. We decorate our restaurant with Japanese nuins that makes you feel at your own grandma's house. And the fourth is Japanese merchandise. You can take our merchandise home as a gift for your loved one, as well as remind them of the Japanese script culture that is now starting to be forgotten. By buying our merchandise, you have contributed to preserving Japanese culture. And the fifth is merchandise product from recycled trash. And the last but not least, use trash as payment method, or as my friend said, the barter payment for the special items. We want to contribute to reducing both organic and non-organic waste in Indonesia in this way. We make the trash that is usually thrown away becomes valuable as money, so it can be exchanged for one of our special items. Next. So this is our dream. There is Qonitah, and then me, Monica, and then Cllarisa. And we hope our startup will go faster and better and be a success startup. Okay, we apologize if we made mistakes. And thank you so much for your nice attention. Goodbye and have a great day.